Kelly Ripa displays her ingenious Christmas decorations on the construction site in front of her New York City townhouse. A little construction isn't stopping Kelly Ripa from being festive. On Monday, December 9th, the 54-year-old anchor of Live with Kelly and Mark, along with her husband and co-host Mark Consuelos, demonstrated to viewers how she dealt with the eyesore outside her townhouse in New York City. "A lot of people wanted to see the front of the house and how I decorated the construction site," she said. "And the construction site people are so accommodating and tolerating of me." A photo of the exterior of Ripa and Consuelo's abode then pans onto the screen, revealing how a temporary structure outside their home is now decked out with a big red bow and topped with an inflatable snowman.